Rightio. First time out on the trails with the new 16, 19 inch setup, 15 kilowatt, stock motor, Bac4000. Should be a good bit of fun. First time on the trails with a bit more traction, which will be nice. It's certainly been good for around at the block where it's really muddy. So we'll see how it goes today. Yeah, certainly feels grippy, feels good. Even over these rocks, it's just biting in, not slipping about. I mean, that's to be expected. How's it going, mate? First time actually using the 64-tooth sprocket though. Feels awesome. It's definitely needed when you go a beefier tyre. Definitely needed. Feels really good to have that torque back, because when I originally put the 16 on there, I was a bit worried that I've lost all my torque. So I was like, oh dang, you know, I'm gonna have to wait until I get a KO motor to get my torque back. But I've got it back just by changing to a 64-tooth sprocket, which is really nice. Woo! I'm also running Jared's old Fox shock on the back, which feels great. Obviously doesn't feel as good as the EBMX shock, but certainly feels better than the stock shock that comes on the bike. I don't feel like I'm going to get bucked off. See what battery life's on, because that's the other thing as well with my other, yeah, good 79, with my other sprocket, the 56-tooth sprocket was really chewing my battery. So hopefully the 64 takes a bit of load off the motor, makes it a bit easier on it, because that initial get up and go that uses so much, that initial get up and go that uses so much battery. Really nice riding up through here with the 16-inch tyre. I'm getting a lot of bite. I wouldn't have been going this fast last time. Certainly would have been spinning a fair bit. Well, this just picks up the front wheel and you're off. I'm only running about 18 psi. So, pretty low on the PSI. Probably should have put some green slime in the tube, just in case I do get a pinch, but I think we'll be alright. The extra low pressure really feels nice. It definitely moves around a fair bit though. Like this tyre has a lot of flex. I'm running the 16-inch gold tyre, which fits really good with a minimal amount of shaving, which is nice. Obviously I just did a video on that, changing the actual tyre. And yeah, there wasn't much that the grinder had to do. Very minimal. Bit of mud, woo! Bit of water, sorry. There'll probably be some mud through here. Yeah, Ty's gonna love it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Loved it. Yeah. Hopefully this is just a sun shower. Rightio. Gonna go for a quick flick down through here. It's quite tight. This is where the Sur Ron really shines. This little single track stuff. Something you can't do on a full-size dirt bike. Well, you normally can't do this full stop on a full-size dirt bike because you make too much noise. I'm definitely a little bit out of my element at the moment, getting used to wearing dirt bike boots again, new boots. Yeah, definitely not used to it. I've been used to the old tradie boots there for a while, and even Vans. Not very safe. So, getting used to that again. We might go for another flick up through here, that's quite fun. Quite wet, but quite fun. I don't really want to get too wet. I fought the hole. Didn't commit that time. That's so weird. I'm not used to that level of traction. Well, hey. Whoa! Stick to the face. Definitely need some rain X on the old goggles. Yeah, I'm definitely a lot faster normally through here, but I'm just not used to these boots. Get that foot nice and high. Don't want that getting caught. Definitely something that hurts quite bad if you don't have that foot nice and high. Probably jump that. Don't really want to try it because there's no time to brake, but you probably could. Yeah, definitely could. Little gap. Definitely, I'd say it was a jump once upon a time, or just very convenient. So much bloody traction. The bike's a lot higher in the RPM now too, which is the 64-2 sprocket. It's good though. It's definitely taken that initial bottom end load, which is what drains the battery off the motor, which is nice. Well, I reckon, you know, I haven't tested it, but it'll be a slight top end loss, I would say. That's why I did like the stock wheel combo, the stock setup, the 1919s. I did like it for just the power and how much it felt like a mountain bike. So obviously I've had more experience on mountain bikes than dirt bikes. Definitely still had a lot of experience on dirt bikes and road bikes. But I just liked it for that. But I've definitely gone full 180, and I agree with the 1619 setup or the 1821 setup. Definitely agree with it. I can see how the 1821 has its perks of getting over bigger bumps and things. I think the 1916 feels really nice for tight cornering. So it's whatever sort of riding you do, really. If you're more of a track rider and you want that tight cornering, I'd say 1619s. If you're more of a adventure rider and you want to get over some big stuff, 2118s. Woo! It's nice trail riding and not just trying to ride as hard as fast as I can. Oh, they've changed all this. New roads and things in, making it boring for us bike riders. Feels good. Phew. It's not much. Pretty tiny. How's it going? How's it going, guys? Pinch those knees, really helps to hold on. Pinch the knees in, grab the tank. Oh, that's right, we don't have one. Look ahead. Keep your head up. Oh, there we go. Slacken your grip. Don't death grip. As much as you can, obviously. Obviously, this is bumpy as all hell. There you go. You. I really would love to just hit this as a jump, but it's directly onto the road, so today's not the day I get hit by a car. That's it, guys. Thanks for riding with me.